let's make some mouth-watering tandoori chicken. First, gather your ingredients: chicken, yogurt, lemon, and tandoori masala. Then, marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. After marinating, we cook the chicken in a hot pan. Remember to flip it every 5 minutes to get that perfect char. Serve hot with fresh coriander on top. This is how you get that authentic taste. Even my teddy bear loves some tandoori chicken. Look at this cute plate. Here's the final result: a delicious plate of tandoori chicken on a marble counter. Can't wait to dig in. Just give it a quick stir and it's ready. And that's how you make the perfect tandoori chicken. Hope you enjoyed it.